ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure. Welcome on to Turkish Airlines flights from Istanbul to Tashkent. I'll be covering the flights myself, Sadkat Majar, flying to get the latest Arman Serdar over. Currently already, we'll be pushing back very short before the engine starts. And tonight, we'll be at time approximately 4 hours 10 minutes on the behalf of Turkish Airlines. I wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you.
Bağlanabilirsiniz. Business Class yolcularımız ve MAviation üyeliğimiz için farklı kotalarda ücretsiz internet hizmetiniz bulunmaktadır. Üyeliğiniz bulunmuyorsa Wi-Fi portal sayfasını kullanarak MAviation'a hemen üye olabilir, internet hizmetinizi şimdi kullanmaya başlayabilirsiniz. Detaylı bilgi için kabin ekibimizden daima yardım alabileceğinizi hatırlatır, keyifli uçuşlar dileriz. Dear passengers, we offer wireless internet service and live TV broadcast on our flight. You can watch sports events live on the Sport 24 channel and connect to the internet with your personal electronic devices. We offer free internet service in different quotas for our business class passengers and MAviation members. If you do not have a membership, you can immediately become a member of MAviation by using the Wi-Fi portal page and start using our internet service now. We remind you that you can always ask our cabin crew for detailed information. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Captain Militia lütfen descends down to Tashkent, Istanbul Karimov. We'll be landing in 30 minutes. Weather reporting, sky is clear, showers and temperature plus 14 degrees Celsius. On the behalf of Turkish Airlines, I wish you a pleasant time in Tashkent and in your final destination. Hope to get on board with another Turkish Airlines, so thank you.
Dear passengers, as we are descending, make sure that your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seat back upright, close your tray table, open your window blind, and stow your footrest. You may use your electronic devices in flight mode.
had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its final parking position. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.
Уважаемые дамы и господа, дорогие дети, надеемся, полет вам понравился. С целью безопасности просим вас оставаться на своих местах, не отстегивать ремни безопасности до выключения табло «Застегнуть ремни» и не открывать багажные полки, расположенные над креслами. Вы можете пользоваться своими электронными устройствами. Убедительно просим вас быть осторожными при открывании верхней багажной полки после остановки самолета. Благодарим вас за выбор авиакомпании Turkish Airlines, являющейся членом авиационного альянса Star Alliance. До свидания. Надеемся, что вы воспользуетесь нашими услугами в будущем.
In accordance with the Uzbek customs laws, all passengers are required to get their luggage from the arrival terminal. Passengers with connecting flights need to go to the check-in desk of the airline. They will continue their flight with after customs check.